know how to talk about Lunar New Year in English?
Maybe you celebrate it every year.
Maybe your family has special traditions.
But when someone asks you in English,
What is Lunar New Year?
you're not sure what to say.
Welcome back to Mr. Learn English. I'm Josh.
And I'm Emily. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're going to help you talk about Lunar New Year in simple, natural English.
This is a very common conversation topic.
At school,
At work,
with international friends.
people often ask,
What do you do for Lunar New Year?
how do you celebrate?
What food do you eat?
And you don't need difficult English to answer.
You just need clear, simple sentences.
Let's start with a very basic explanation.
If someone asks, What is Lunar New Year?
You can say, it's a traditional holiday.
Or, It's the most important holiday in my country.
That's already a great answer.
Yes, you don't need a long history lesson.
You can also say, it celebrates the new year based on the lunar calendar.
If that feels too difficult, keep it simple. It's our New Year celebration.
Short,
Clear.
natural.
Now let's practice a small conversation.
What is Lunar New Year?
It's our traditional New Year. Families celebrate together.
That sounds confident.
Now let's add one more simple idea.
You can say, it usually happens in January or February.
That's useful information, and it's easy to remember.
Here's something important.
When you talk about culture,
You don't need perfect grammar.
people care about your experience,
Your traditions.
your story.
Next, we'll talk about family traditions and activities and give you simple sentences you can use to describe how you celebrate Lunar New Year.
Now let's talk about how to describe your Lunar New Year traditions.
When people ask about holidays, they usually ask this question.
How do you celebrate?
This question sounds big.
But your answer can be simple.
You can say, I celebrate with my family.
That's a perfect starting sentence.
Yes, family is the most important part of Lunar New Year for many people.
You can add one more detail. We have a big family dinner.
Or, we visit our relatives.
These are very common and natural sentences.
Now let's build a short answer together.
How do you celebrate Lunar New Year?
I celebrate with my family. We have a big dinner and visit relatives.
That sounds clear and confident.
Now let's talk about cleaning and preparing.
In many countries, people clean their homes before the new year.
You can say, we clean the house before the new year.
Or, we prepare food and decorate our home.
Very simple.
No difficult vocabulary.
Now let's talk about decorations.
You might say. We decorate with red decorations.
We put up red lanterns.
We decorate with flowers.
Short sentences are powerful.
Now here's something important.
You don't need to explain everything at once.
If someone is interested, they will ask more questions.
For example, what do you usually do on New Year's Day?
We visit family and give lucky money to children.
That's a natural answer.
Now let's practice together.
Think about one tradition your family has.
Say this sentence out loud. During Lunar New Year, we
Pause.
finish the sentence.
That's real speaking practice.
Remember, confidence does not come from long sentences.
It comes from speaking clearly and calmly.
Next, we'll talk about Lunar New Year food and how to describe traditional dishes in simple English.
Now let's talk about one of the most exciting parts of Lunar New Year.
The food.
When people talk about holidays, they almost always ask about food.
What do you eat during Lunar New Year?
This is a very common question.
And again, your answer can be simple.
You can start with, we eat traditional food.
That's already a good answer.
Then you can add one example.
For example, we eat dumplings.
We eat sticky rice cake.
We eat special New Year dishes.
You don't need to explain the recipe.
Just name the food.
Now let's build a short answer.
What do you eat during Lunar New Year?
We eat traditional food like dumplings and rice cake.
Clear.
Natural.
Confident.
Now let's add meaning.
Many Lunar New Year foods have special meanings.
You can say, dumplings mean good luck.
This dish brings good fortune.
It represents happiness and success.
Even one short sentence about meaning makes your answer more interesting.
Now let's practice a small conversation.
What's special about the food?
Some dishes mean good luck for the new year.
That sounds natural and relaxed.
Now let's talk about another very common question.
What's your favorite part of Lunar New Year?
This is a personal question.
You don't need a perfect answer.
You can say, my favorite part is the family dinner.
Or, I like the food the most.
Or, I enjoy spending time with my family.
Short answers are powerful.
Now let's help you practice.
Answer this out loud. My favorite part of Lunar New Year is...
Pause.
Finish the sentence.
Good.
Remember, when you talk about culture and holidays, you are sharing your experience.
There is no perfect answer.
There is only your answer.
Finally, we'll review everything and help you feel fully confident talking about Lunar New Year in real English conversations at work, school, or with international friends.
Now let's bring everything together.
Today we learned something very important.
You don't need advanced English to talk about Lunar New Year.
You just need simple, clear sentences.
We started with a basic explanation.
It's our traditional New Year.
It's the most important holiday in my country.
Short,
Natural.
easy to remember.
Then we talked about traditions.
You can say, I celebrate with my family.
We have a big dinner.
We visit relatives.
We decorate the house.
One idea at a time.
That's enough.
Then we talked about food.
We eat traditional dishes.
We eat dumplings and rice cake.
Some foods mean good luck.
Again, simple sentences.
Now here's something very important.
When you talk about Lunar New Year in English,
You are not giving a history lesson.
you are sharing your life,
Your traditions.
your experience.
And people care about that.
They don't expect perfect grammar.
They just want to understand you.
So if someone asks you at work,
How was your Lunar New Year?
you can say, it was great. I spent time with my family.
That's a perfect answer.
If they ask more questions,
You can add one more sentence.
step by step.
Confidence grows when you speak a little at a time.
Before we finish, let's practice one full answer together.
If someone asks,
What do you usually do during Lunar New Year?
you can say, I celebrate with my family. We have a big dinner and eat traditional food. It's my favorite holiday.
That sounds natural.
That sounds confident.
And that is real English.
Thank you for learning with us at Mr. Learn English.
We're proud of you for practicing and building your confidence.
If this episode helped you, stay with us for more calm, real-life English speaking practice.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye till next time.